Commons train on the up Flinders and down Williamstown. Maybe I see it now. Is it normal for them to go this slow? Now turn the video off, take a picture of those up there. Commons train departing Mordialloc on the down Frankston service. The old signal still in place, so dwarfs added to them was annoying. Mordialloc has 3 tracks. Track 1 and 3 are the platform track, and platform 1A is the shunting loop. X-type going through the Glen Huntly tram square. Train on the up, on the down track as well. What's coming on the down line there? We're just testing the crossing gates again at Glen Huntly again. Got the UK loader alarm on this side.
Horrible. Why am I standing next to it? It's so loud.
X-type on the down Frankston train. Go do that for me on the machine, I've got to. Bang that on the marking thing on the platform. Bang on the marking thing on the platform. Crossing will take a while to go up because it's on a circuit. And Frankston train at Glen Huntly. X-type. X-type on the down Frankston train. This crossing has to be passed at slow speed because the tram squares, well, that you see the trains go very, very slow, then proceed through the signal through the crossing. have to go very, very slow or they'll damage the tram square. That's actually true. Oh, we missed the 502 as well. I'm going to wait for the 530 now, go back to Flinders Street. I'll get the 502 on the other as the next Simmons. I'm only filming because I like the sound of the tram square that goes across. It should have crossed the street on the other side and gone through the other one. See there on the wheel? I've got the slip on the wheel. You can't see it. That's caused an arc on the power, isn't it then? See, we've got the power marking on the pantograph. That's normal. That is a normal sparking day. That's not a fast normal. This is the Gunhuddy tram square with the Simmons on the up line and whatever train is on the down line, or might be even be the goods.
Well, it's the next type. You can hear that.
No, it's that one coming that way, I can see. Simmons train on the down line as well.
This is one of the dangerous ones taken off.
It's not really dangerous.
It is, got the trams as well, remember?
What's the pantographs that go through over the thing? What's the pantographs? What's what happened up there on the thing up there? Watch what happens. Oh, you won't do it now. When the driver puts the clutch and you watch what happens. They do expect run all sorts of trains down here. They run all three down here. Right, that's the down and the up train. And the Sidler will cancel the crossing soon. Yeah, he is. He's cancelling another crossing. This still has the incandescent lights here as well.